Jive 5 Jeff from 2X Garage. Well, it's going to be a road trip today. No, we're not driving it. Still got to wire it. A bunch of little odds and ends like that with electrical. Jeffrey's with me. Dad's with me. Mike is obviously here because this is his shop. But we're going to go for a road trip in this thing, get it loaded up on the trailer, get it back to my place so we can wire it. Jeffrey looks. Probably wake up when his girlfriend calls him. He'll be nice and smiling by then. But long story short, we're going to get that loaded up, get it back to my place, unload it. So here we go, guys. Well, we made it. Micah's shop's actually not that far from my house. It's about 20 minutes. As you can see, we all live in pretty rural areas. But yeah, the car's in here. Pretty glad. It's been a while since it's been back at my house. Don't have a fancy shop. Don't have a big garage. Just a two-car. Going to be using it just to get this car done. So basically, the next steps are what you see here. All this wiring here. All the sensors, the gauges, ignition, all that stuff's got to get wired up. So what we're going to end up doing is when I get back from vacation, we're going to start hitting that pretty hard, get everything done, and we're going to end up getting this thing fired, tuning it, driving it, testing it, working out any bugs there might be. So yeah, that's today's video. Tomorrow, like I said, we got a surprise for tomorrow. It's a new addition to the channel. I think everyone's going to like it. It's pretty cool. It's something that I've really never been involved in, but I can't wait to get started on it. So yeah, but with that, this is the end of the journey from all the different places, the cars together. It's back at my place. Time to get wiring, time to get firing. With that, we will see you tomorrow. Have a good one.